welcome you all specially to today's weekly analysis. Okay, so I want to quickly show you a few things with regards my perception in the market. I want to show you what I'm seeing in the market for the new week, even as we get ready to trade this new week. Okay, so this is what DXY is doing currently. For those of you who traded with us last week, you observed that DXY did a bullish move, of which is currently on a particular liquidity side, and I'm interested in seeing the full retracement which DXY may do within this void area, this void zone. So I'm going to be expecting DXY to give me bearish move at the opening of the markets, of which automatically, like you all know, I will be looking for bullish move for GU, as you can see, and EU as well, respectively. And if that plays as expected, then the trade, of course, we're holding a trade, and that's why I'm still leaving this entry. We're holding this entry up to this liquidity zone. So if DXY plays as expected, then EU will be coming to this zone. Okay, that means we're going to take profit at the opening of the market. Now, but if for any reason DXY decides to go bullish by taking out those liquidity on the bullish side, then we may get induced, of which as I told you, I've already broken even. I may take another break even here, so I'm going to be monitoring and managing this trade as soon as the market opens, so that I may go out on BE instead of losing for this entry, because I shouldn't be taking loss on this entry. Okay, but I'm seeing voids here, so if for any reason DXY goes bullish, then find price coming to fill up this void, of which this is the only bullish liquidity on that side. Then for GU, you observe that GU is not playing out the bullish move clearly, because there is a bearish liquidity on this side. So except this bearish liquidity is taken out, I will not be buying GU. Okay, because GU needs to take out this liquidity. So if for any reasons DXY goes bearish and goes bullish and GU comes to grab this liquidity, I will find bearish move on GU. And for that reason, I left this bearish move. Okay, so I can fully see what the bearish move may do before I find any other move. Okay, because the bearish liquidity will be fully grabbed at this point. Alright, so that's what I'm seeing on EU and GU. As for US 30, of course, you can see that it's close to take profit. Once it gets to take profit, I'm going to tell you the next move on that. What's the next one now? We have US oil. Okay, so US oil is still on the move. It has taken profit. So I've done my analysis and I'm waiting for price to return back to my liquidity zone before I can find another entry. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for another entry here at the opening of the Monday market, or the new week, which opens on Sunday. And then for you, okay, I've shown you US 30, US oil. For Nasdaq, I'll be expecting to see price retrace, and I'm going to find new entry for Nasdaq. Then for USD JPY, that's UJ, I'm going to wait for the take profit first before I look for another entry. For GJ, as a GBP JPY, sorry, not that one. Okay, this one. Price is on this liquidity side, so I'm going to wait for confirmation before I give you the entry. And then for EJ, that's Euro JPY, I'm going to wait for price to come back to this liquidity zone before I find my entry. So that'll be all on Forex. And let's quickly go into crypto. So we'll look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at Ethereum. So this is what Bitcoin is doing. It all of you who knows very well, Bitcoin did the all-time high, okay, as it hit above $100,000. So it may retrace back to this liquidity zone, which is 98. And if 98 doesn't hold it, if it takes out all this trend, it may come down to this area. Let's see 45 minutes. If it takes all this out, Bitcoin may be coming down to this region, okay, so that means it may go bearish massively. But we want to just catch up the moves. I'm gonna wait for my bearish confirmation on this liquidity side, and I'll go bearish on Bitcoin and find my entry here before I look for any other bullish move. So bearish on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum also may give me a bearish confirmation. All these liquidities here are trends, so I'm going to catch them on downtrend, okay, because it's about to balance this uptrend that occurred in the previous times. So that's for all for crypto and for forex. So I'm back to synthetics. So I've taken profit on volatility 100. It has given me break of structure here. It's giving me break of structure here. Looks like a change of character as well. So let me get a confirmation. I may find a bearish move for jump 100. So for volatility 25. So this one didn't play out well. So I've reanalyzed. I'm waiting for any confirmation to get an entry on volatility 25. Volatility 50. Okay, so I've done the analysis on volatility 50 as well. I'm waiting for my confirmation. Let's see, volatility 75. I've done basically all the analysis. So what I'm just waiting for is for price, to give me the action. So I'm waiting for price actions on my setups, on my zones, if I can get the entries. Okay, so for all of them as well. So that's volatility 100. So we have boom 500. Okay, so it's retraced back to entry zone and went to stop loss zone. So I'm waiting. Okay, setups have been done already for crash 500 as well. Let's see. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to get to this liquidity side. I'll get a confirmation, then I'll give you the entry for jump 25. Okay, price is currently here, so I'm going to be waiting for the confirmation, give you the entry. Jump 50, waiting for confirmation as well, and then jump 75, also waiting for confirmation. So okay, so there's high impact news on Monday, okay, in the morning for euro and GU, so get ready for that, be careful. And then we have high impact for US dollars in the afternoon, so be careful, look out for these high impact news. If you are in an entry, then you will need to close up, your loss, okay, so you break even so that you're not affected by the news. So same thing repeats itself on Tuesday 17 December. So the CPI for Canadian dollars, and then we have US dollar high impact 230. Okay, on Wednesday CPI for GBP, Thursday JPY high impact, USD high impact, GBP high impact. So there's going to be a lot of high impact news this week. And on Friday we have just like we have CPI, but I'm going to confirm what's called price index is this, if that's CPI on Friday. So this is all we can take for now. Make sure you're back testing, make sure you're funding your account, get ready for a great week. I trust that we're going to win this week. See you.